grade nyo 99%. Thank you.
Thank you for that. So far, 99% everything was good. And everyone is with a smiling face. That's what customer service is all about. And with all these smiling faces, it reflects on your mood, which is delicious.
There's one here, pero ibang isa. So, I would say, it was amazing. Great experience. Thank you.
Reason na rin po ang wala na mas mga panahon. Optional yun. Ang ito mga kahitanan. Ito. Bless talaga.
Especially ang yung dessert. So I believe na magamit yun sa in the future. Kung na mo sa corporate world. So overall, congratulations sa inyong successful test.
Daghan kay big na learn, daghan kay big na buha. Sir, dalo na manahan ko sa mga pananalig sa buhay industry course.
To our faculty members, with your Ma'am Galay and Ma'am Ibit, and we give them a round of applause, please. We're going to journey to support our students throughout their 30. Your commitment and dedication are a big part of today's success. Once again, thank you to everyone who contributed to the success of this event, and to our hardworking BSH and UB Day students. Congratulations on a job well done. May these experiences and years inspire you in continued learning, growing, and excelling in the hospitality industry. Daghang salamat and good afternoon to one and all.